Okay, YouTubers, this is my project as inspired by NS Modeler 24, who converted a Kato C44-9 into a used to be a Southern Pacific. Now he converted it to a Norfolk Southern C40-9, and I am trying to do the same. Here's the cab, working right now on the headlight, and I'm experimenting with he was able to get the SD70 from Kato, the original fiber optics that came with the SD70. However, Kato's been sold out, which is forcing me to experiment and use something else. What I've come up with is Plastic Struck sells fiber optics. They sell it in different sizes. Because of the hole in the headlight, I went with a .60 size fiber optic, which you can see here. I cut a piece to experiment, and what I did, I held a lighter close to the end so you can see how it flared out, creating almost like a lens. Now this lens will be placed through the headlight. And this is just a test, see how this works. And you can see the lens right in there. And what this allows you to do is, once you mount the cab and the fiber optic gets close to the LED, lo and behold, you have a headlight. And what's cool about this is, depending on the color of the LED, this is just the LED that's mounted on the Tsunami decoder that I put in the Kato. You change the color of the headlight all by having a different color of the source, in this case a red LED. So we'll continue working with this and see how it goes. But for now, I like it a lot. It's pretty bright, as you can see. Okay, that's it for now.